Hi there and welcome to the Computer Coach. This is Himayat and I hope you're all fine and doing well. This is the first video of this channel, okay? And in this video we're gonna talk about the environment of computer. I'm gonna talk about the desktop today for you. So let's get started. The first one, we have a picture here, and this picture is called wallpaper, or you can call this picture desktop background. Okay, there are many names, but you can call it like wallpaper, desktop background, or background image, you can call it. Second, we have this icon. What is icon? Icon gives information about hardware and software, and we have got two types of icons. The first one is system icon, which is installed by Windows, and the second one we have user icon, which is installed by user. For example, if I right click here, come to the properties, here it's a system icon, this PC, and it gives information about the hardware of the computer. As I said, that icon can give information about hardware and software. So this is like here we have information about the hardware of the computer, like the processor, RAM, device ID, system type. And if I go to like here, I have a system icon, and I right click on it, show option, personalize. Here here right click on the application and come here to the properties, come down here. So here in general I can see information about the software. Okay, this is because this is user software, so it gives information about this software for me. So we say icon gives information about the hardware and software. So from here to here, it's called taskbar. Most of the people, they call it start menu in taskbar, but that is not correct, because start menu is a part of taskbar, and we can call that from here to here, all this, it's like start menu in taskbar. There are many parts of taskbar, and taskbar is divided into different parts. So start is here, start menu is a part of taskbar. So this is the Windows 11 latest update, and we have a widget here. Okay, in widget you can find information about everything else, whether or anything you want. We're gonna talk about widget, we're gonna talk about everything else. It's just introduction. We will have a video on each of these things you see. So the shortcut for widget is start button plus W, or you can say Windows key plus W. Okay, it's the shortcut for the widget. The second, we have a start here. Well, basically in start, you can, if you want to open applications, you can go and search for an app and you can open it also. And here those applications will appear, those you pinned it here as an application, we can pin it, and we will talk about later on. And the shortcut for the start is just press the start button or Windows key button here, and it will appear for you. And the third, we have here a search bar. Moreover, here we have a search bar in the taskbar also, and we have search bar here. You can search, they are the same, no difference, just distance is different. And here you can search for applications, documents, audio, video, or you can search online if you want. And the condition and the rule is you have to connect with the internet. Without internet you can search online. So therefore, and the shortcut for search is Windows key plus S. It will open the search box for you and you can search it. So you can do anything else, but if you want to be online, but if you installed applications, okay, if you install applications, you're gonna search about it. Like I can search note in here. So we're gonna talk about the search bar inshallah later on. The next thing we have got an taskbar, it's task view. What is task view? Well, task view is used to show the open programs. Like for example, I have opened this browser also, and I want to open, like if I go to the task view, I see like these browsers are, like these windows are open, like these programs. I'm like those programs we are working on it, that will appear in the task view, you can see. And I can go from one window to another window also. Like for example, I'm here in this PC, you see, and I will open the node or a program for you. I will open a program for you. Here I've got a notepad here. So I have this PC and I want to go to the notepad. So simply you can come here and click the task view, and here I have a notepad in this PC also. So from this PC to notepad, I'm gonna go to the notepad, and the shortcut for the task view is Windows key, or you can say start button plus tab is a shortcut for the task view. So simply press it, and you can use the arrow keys also, or if you are not comfortable with using arrow keys, you can use your touchpad, or we can say mouse. So I'm gonna use the mouse here, and I can go back to this PC simply. So it's task view. It should be noticed that in task view we can use different desktops also. Like it means we can work like we can do different works in the same time. So let me, in this desktop I have like many applications opened. If I go to the task view and I want these applications to be opened, and I come to the next desktop too, in here I do not have any applications open without this recorder. It must be here. And you see I can work. Okay, I can do another work here, and I can have another desktop also, and this is unlimited. You can get as much as you can out, I mean desktop as much as you can. So we're gonna talk about this also later on. Moreover, we have a here, like we have a chat also. You can talk with family, friends, with anyone else in this chat also. You can simply sign in to this chat, and you can have a contact of your friends, and you can do it. So Windows key plus chat, I'm sorry, so Windows key plus C, or start button plus C, is a chat shortcut. Okay, so you can simply press Windows key plus C, and it will disappear. From here to here you see these applications opened or not opened. This place is called a quick launch. Well, launch means to get something. Like quick launch means to get something quickly. For example, if I go to the search bar and search for the note, okay, it's a notepad. I'm gonna search it and I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna open the notepad, but I want notepad to open in one click for me. So you can simply come to the search bar. In any applications you can do, I'm gonna give you the example. Like I'm gonna search notepad, and here right click on any application, right click on it. In here we have pin to taskbar, so I'm gonna pin to taskbar. Here I have got notepad, and whenever I want to open the notepad I can simply click it. So click on it, it's opened right now. So therefore this is the reason that it's called quick launch. It means quick something quickly, and you can do it. Okay, next we have from here to here, it's called notification bar, or you can say notification center also. Well, actually here you will get notified about everything, whatever happens in your computer you will get notified. So for example, the microphone is connected. What language do you use? Do you have internet connection or not? Like there are many more connections as well, Bluetooth, or how much is your brightness or sound, percent battery, you can choose, like you can see the percentage of your computer's battery. And moreover, if you can see the notifications, like I have got a notification. If I click here, you see I have got many notifications from here. Windows security, or these are the, what is that, I have one notification from WhatsApp also. And the shortcut for the notification is just Windows key plus N, or start button plus N is a shortcut for the notifications. And again, press the Windows key plus N is a shortcut for the notifications, like it will appear or disappear, both of them. And the last thing we have here, it's called the show desktop. Like whenever we are somewhere else, like in this PC, or you are in a program working and you want to go to the desktop, like you gotta work, you want to go to the desktop, so just simply come here, and here you see the white, it's a kind of small white line here. Click it, and if you click on it, you're gonna go to the taskbar directly, desktop. And if you want to go back to that window, just simply come here and click it. And we have got a shortcut for that also, like press Windows key or start button plus D, and you come here and just simply press Windows key or start button plus D. Here you have a desktop here, and if you want to go to that open window, so like again Windows key plus D, it's gonna be open the window for you. So today we talk about the environment of computer. Hope you enjoy this video, and inshallah we're gonna keep going. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for my next video. If you have any problem in computer, okay, any troubleshooting things, you can tell me, and we're gonna have a video on that program or problem also. Thank you for watching.